Approximately the size of 101 Beijings, Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region is the largest province in China. To the south are the Kunlun Mountains, to the north Altai Mountains, and across the middle the Tian Shan Mountains. These three ranges hold in their laps two of the largest basins in China. From the Tian Shan Mountains, we'll explore the mystery of life nurtured by water. We'll get up close to Bogda Peak at a height of 5,000 meters, visit Heavenly Lake covered in ice and snow, and then head west into the largest grassland in Xinjiang. More often stories about the regions of civilizations, rivers, rather than mountains, takes a center place. But we tell a different story here about a vast range of mountains stretching 2,500 kilometers across 4 countries. Xinjiang is located at the heart of the Eurasian continent. It's an arid region, yet thousands of glaciers in the Tian Shan Mountains serve as gigantic solid reservoirs containing massive quantities of water. The mountains are the source of 370 rivers and countless lakes. Water has determined the fate of this dry land. Tiangar Peak rises to over 4,500 meters. For mountaineers, it's a relatively easy climb. The greater challenge lies 135 kilometers away, the Bogda Peak. Among all mountains over 5,000 meters high, Bogda is the second most challenging for climbers. Here, climate and environmental changes as well as human activity have accelerated the retreat of the glaciers. For the protection of the glaciers, the slope is no longer open to climbers. The best way to appreciate the mountain's beauty is from a distance. After Bogda Peak, Heavenly Lake comes into sight, set in the northern slope. Lying 1,900 meters above sea level, this alpine lake supplies the rivers downstream with meltwater from the Tian Shan Mountains. As we descend the slope, a picture of flourishing life is gradually unveiled. Approaching the midsection of the Tian Shan Mountains, a vast base comes into lens. This area of grassland is second in size only to the Holambia grassland in China. On the flat grassland, a river's course can be changed by the slightest influence. The Kedu River, formed by meltwater from the Tian Shan Mountains, has more than 10,000 bends along its 500 kilometers length. At sunset, if you happen to find the optimal spot, you can see as many as 9 suns reflected in the water. Hidden away on the grassland is a swan nature reserve. Mating season has just passed. This year, 100 cygnets were born here. The cygnets will learn to fly in a few months' time and will embark on their first migration before winter comes. The Himalayas will be the first challenge on their way. The northern foothills of the Xinjiang Mountains are a fertile area dotted with oases. Here from Urumqi to Shihezi, the land is a rich tapestry of color. In the canyons, we see how rivers can paint the earth. No other major city in the world is further from the ocean than Urumqi. The nearest sea is 2,000 kilometers away. However, it is also the closest to the glacier, which supplies the city with water from 100 kilometers away. For many years, this picture of Urumqi International Grand Bazaar has featured the CCTV's weather bulletins. Bazaar means fair. A popular local saying has it, "You'll find all you want in the bazaar except Mana Pa."